Why do thousands of families choose Bridgeland? Discover the magic and make it your home. Bridgeland isn't just a place to live, it's a lifestyle. Imagine waking up to scenic trails, sparkling lakes, and a vibrant community spirit. Dragonfly Park offers endless fun with its lazy river, pools, playgrounds, and even a dog park. Your weekends just got a major upgrade. From modern townhomes to spacious single-family residences, Bridgeland has a home for everyone. Plus, with energy-efficient features, you'll live comfortably and sustainably. And let's not forget the community events that make you feel right at home, fostering connections and creating lifelong memories. Staying active is a breeze with state-of-the-art fitness centers, miles of trails, and resort-style pools. Whether you're a family, a professional, or retiring, Bridgeland offers a lifestyle that suits you. Located in Cypress, Texas, Bridgeland provides easy access to Houston while offering the peace of suburban living. Ready to start your story here? Visit Bridgeland today and experience the difference. Discover the magic of Bridgeland. Your story starts here.